Look, your lawn might be mowed and it might look good, but if your edging looks like it was trimmed by a raccoon with scissors, you ain't done. Now, this is what an edging job is supposed to look like, just like the pros did it. Now, this is a big machine and it's 56 volts. I needed something that was going to be able to cut through a lawn that honestly hadn't been edged in about a year. It's been a while, and this thing has plenty of torque to do just about any type of grass. I mean, look at this big chunk. Some stuff you're going to have to go over twice if you've, ignored it like I did, but this ego can do the job. Okay, so 56 volts is going to have a pretty chunky battery. But what's nice about this is it has a carbon fiber tube. So it distributes the weight very, very nicely. So honestly, it doesn't feel as heavy as it is. It's got a really good balance. The business end is an 8-inch edger blade with a guide wheel and a depth adjustment knob. Dial in anything up to 3 inches of cutting depth without tools, without guesswork, without stopping to fight with it. This thing's very, very convenient to adjust, and as you can see, it's stupid easy. In addition to all that torque, you have a high and low speed selector, so you can adjust it when you need to. For safety, of course, there's the lockout switch, so you can't hit it on unless you mean it. What's nice is you get the full kit. You get the 56 volt power head, the 8-inch edger attachment, the 4 amp ARC lithium battery, and a 210 watt charger. You just open up the box, charge up, and edge. Now, the power head isn't a one-trick pony. It pairs with the entire Ego Power and multi-head system. So the same motor that edges today can cut, trim, and clear tomorrow. One power head with a whole shed's worth of tools. Super simple to put together. I had the whole thing assembled in less than 10 minutes. Everything you need's in there. There's a full instruction manual too. And don't forget to send the warranty card in. There's a special perk there as well. And remember, your mower finishes the lawn, but this finishes the job. Ask your wife.